Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains Ford Edge alternator failing issues and highlights likely reasons that can affect the vehicle's charging system. The alternator plays a key role in supplying electrical power while the engine is running and in keeping the battery charged. When alternator performance declines, the vehicle may experience electrical instability, reduced system reliability, or difficulty maintaining proper power levels. Alternator design and load demands can vary by model year and configuration, so the issue may not present the same way in every Ford Edge. Based on documented automotive service information, alternator-related problems may indicate internal component wear, voltage regulation irregularities, or mechanical issues that prevent consistent power generation. In some cases, related factors such as drive belt condition, mounting alignment, or electrical connections could be a potential contributing factor. Older vehicles may experience age-related wear, while newer models could show different tendencies depending on updated electrical systems and usage patterns. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year mileage or prior repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. Possible solutions generally involve testing the charging system output and inspecting related components to confirm whether the alternator is operating within specifications. If faults are verified, repair or replacement is typically required to restore proper electrical function. Addressing charging issues promptly can help prevent secondary problems affecting other vehicle systems. In conclusion, alternator-related concerns on the Ford Edge can vary widely depending on vehicle condition and operating history. Accurate diagnosis is essential, as not every electrical symptom is caused by a failing alternator. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.